everyone, it's Miss Golden, and we are here for our 13th lesson of Eureka Module 7. Again, as always, if you missed the live lesson, they are happening at 11 o'clock, and I hope that you are able to join in because I've missed you and I miss hearing your voice and seeing your face. And so again, as always, if you are printing these out, make sure you're printing them out lesson by lesson because we will not be in this school year finishing this module. So do not do that. Just print them out lesson by lesson. If you are printing them out, that's fine. Just make sure you are taking pictures of the work to let me know that you did it so I can see what you did and to give you credit, because why are you doing the work if you're not getting the credit for it, right? Right. And as always, if you are needing help looking at what some of the images look like, I will look at the PDF version that I have attached, as well as putting all your work in the Google Doc. And remember, as always, if you are doing this on paper, to make sure you send me the work either through Class Dojo, Google Classroom, email, because I want you to get credit for what you did. Because you're working hard. I know it. We've been doing this for over 9 weeks, and it's hard. It's not fun to do lessons this way, but I get it. And remember, if I'm going too fast, press pause because I know I'm not giving you probably as much wait time as you need to do the work. So let's get started. So for this first problems, what we're going to be doing is finding the perimeter of the shape. So to find the perimeter of the shape, all we have to do is add around the entire outside. So we're just adding all these numbers around that are here. Sorry, I know that wasn't the best circle. So 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8 equals 22 inches. So now you're going to do the same thing for B. But look, on this first one, A, they put in all the numbers. You need to write in the numbers. And if you look carefully, this one did inches. Now this one is centimeters. So make sure those labels are in your work because that's important. All right, I'm going to move on. If you need more time, just press pause. As you can see, I wrote in 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and those have the centimeters right there. It equals 16. So let's keep going. So now we're going to do the same thing for C, D, and E. Remember, we're finding the perimeter. That means you add up all the sides. All right, we're going to go over the answers now. As you can see for C, I wrote in 6, 9, 11. If you wrote them in a different order, that's fine, because no matter what, your answer is going to be 26 centimeters. For this next one, I wrote 5, 9, 15, 7, because those are the right there. And when you add all those together, you get 35 centimeters. And finally, for this last one, again, it does not matter the order, but I did them as 3, 9, 2, 2, 9. And when you add all those up, you get 26 inches. So let's keep going. So now what we're gonna be doing is this. Alan's rectangular swimming pool is 10 meters long and 16 meters wide was the perimeter. So you can see here is our pool. The numbers are on the sides, and remember to find the perimeter you are going to add. So take your time to do that. And don't forget to show your work. All right, I'm going to go show you the answers now, the answer for this problem. So as you can see, I wrote it out 10 meters plus 10 meters plus 16 meters plus 16 meters equals 52 meters. And then I wrote a sentence, the perimeter of the pool is 52 meters. So let's go on to our last problem. As you can see, this part has 2 parts to it, but that's all right. So Lila measures each side of the shape below. So here we see all the different parts, sides of it. And they want to know is what is the perimeter of the shape? And Leela says the shape is a pentagon. Is she correct? And I want you to tell me why or why not. So is she right? Yes. Tell me why. Is she wrong? Tell me why. Take your time. These are the last 2 problems for this lesson. All right, and we're going to be going over the answers now. So as you can see, I wrote my A right here. I did 4 inches plus 2 inches plus 3 inches plus 6 inches plus 9 inches. That gives us 24 inches. And I wrote my answer over here because I needed a little bit more room. So I said yes. because the shape has 5 sides and a pentagon is a shape with 5 sides. So if you look, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it doesn't look like our typical pentagon shape, but it still has 5 sides, which is what a pentagon is. So this was the last problem for this lesson. So I hope to see you tomorrow in our live lessons that are happening for math at 11 o'clock, because I really do miss you. And as always, I hope you're safe, and remember to go for the gold. And I really do want you to come tomorrow at 11 o'clock for math. Bye.